Welcome guys to this quick announcement. First of all, thank you for your support. We almost have achieved 8k subs and over 1 million views in total, guys. I'm speechless, really. Thank you for that. You are really amazing. You have been supporting me throughout the past months and years, and I wanted to say thank you for that. I really appreciate it, guys. Well, some of you probably remember my second channel I have created back then when I had to deal with the copyrighted music, which is, by the way, also the reason for the loud music in my old videos, as some of you have probably noticed. Since my primary channel hasn't been deleted or anything, and the second channel has received 200 subs, thank you for that, I thought about uploading entertaining development videos onto it. So I thought about a series in which I script something, for example, which you guys comment and record it and see how it ends. For those purposes, I would ask you guys to leave me ideas of what I could possibly create in an upcoming video under my second channel's community tab. So link is in the description. Furthermore, I would also be happy to see you guys on my second channel. Therefore, make sure to subscribe and to comment your ideas, guys. Also, the next video is coming in a few hours, so stay tuned. Alright, thanks for listening, take care, and see you in the next video.